I'm looking for identification of some maple trees because I'm wanting to know which ones are sugar maple. So I have this, and that's some of the bark, and right there is the rest. And then let me go to the next tree. Okay, right here is the next one. And you know, they could be the same as the last, and I'm just such a idiot at this. I don't know. And right there's the bark, and right there's the bark on that one. That's tree 3, I guess. And if you have the patience to watch my entire video, you can just tell me identification by time zone, you know, timestamp. And tree 4 I can't get too close to because of the wood pile in front of it, but I'm going to get a close-up of a leaf. See, they all kind of look the same, maybe. And that's the bark on that one. Not only am I a poor tree identifier, I'm a poor movie maker. And here's 5, tree 5, same area as the others. And that's just a skinny little thing, so seeing the bark probably wouldn't help because it's so tiny, and of course it's also blocked by the wood pile. There's a close-up of the petiole. Whoops, maybe not. Okay. Here is, excuse me, this is going to be maple 6 right here. That's a close-up. Sorry. It's red at the base of the petiole. I don't know if that means anything. And here's the bark there. And a tree 1 foot away is another maple. And, oh yeah, I can reach the leaf on that one. So what is this? 6 or 7? I don't know. Right there. I bet you these are all the same, aren't they? And then this one, I can't reach any leaves, but here's the bark. Right there is what the canopy looks like. They're all very young trees. And then over here, oh, whoops, oh, sorry. 2 more maples. I'm just reasonably sure these are all going to be the same. But I've been wrong once or 50 times before. There's the bark. This poor guy has had some damage. And there's that one. So this is one little stand of maples that I was interested in identifying. I'm pretty sure they're all going to be the same. But if they're not, could somebody let me know? And now I'm going to make a video of the other stand.